There's a feature within Android or Samsung Galaxy phone that allows you to put unused apps to sleep. And once this is turned on, all of your apps will easily go to sleep. But what if I told you that you can add an exception to some apps that you don't want to go to sleep? And I'm going to show you how. So you want to go to settings on your Android phone and simply click on battery. From here, click on background usage limits, and then you will see the option that says put unused apps to sleep. Now, if this is turned on, like you see there, all of those apps will go to sleep, right? Once it's not in use. But you can add an exception that says never auto sleep apps, right? So click on that. And from here, click the plus and you can select whichever apps you don't want to auto sleep. So for example, I don't want my email to auto sleep. For example, Gmail, I can tap on Gmail and I can click and add, and that will be an exception. And from there, my Gmail will not be auto sleep. You can easily add and remove more apps by simply clicking the plus to add more apps, or you can simply click the three dots here and tap on remove, and you can select whichever ones you have. So as you can see, I have only one. You just want to ensure that you check it, and once you check it, you just simply click remove, and that will remove the apps from there. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.